Hi everyone. So behind me is the municipality of Sierra-Bullones. That's the municipal hall. See, it's very nice. Beautiful hall. It's municipal hall here in our town. I am here to but I went upstairs to ask for the requirements to travel back to the US. So the in charge told me that it's easier to travel outside Bohol now. You don't need swab test, especially going to Manila. You don't need swab test in paperwork like before. You just need to download the app. It's Traze contact tracing app. I'm going to show it to you. I just downloaded it and logged into the app. Let me find it. See, it's Trace contact. That's letter T there. Oops. Next to Lazada, there's letter T. This one. Oops. This one. Hold on a second. So this one here, you open it and that's the app. Traze is the name of the app, and then this is the only thing you need, or the only document you need to travel. It's called Traze contact tracing. So when you travel, you show this to the airport maybe, or to, I don't know yet, but you have to show this. I'm going to make a video of what Traze is, but that is one of the requirements going out Bohol, especially Bohol Island. So that's my itinerary today. I asked, and I'm going to prepare going back to the US. I am going to do a lot of arranging in the house and talking to nanay, tatay, and to the workers, especially to Florinda, the person or the lady who is taking care of tatay right now. So she's been with us for 2 months now. She will be 3 months in next month. So I hope she will stay, because it will be hard for nanay. I can't leave nanay by herself taking care of tatay. So praying that everything will be okay, everything will be settled before I go back to the US. See ya.